Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to make letter F. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish means machli. First of all, we will color letter F like this. Color with red color. F. F for fish. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Trace. 1, 2, 3. Fish. Fish. How will you make? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this, like this, like this. F. F for fish. F. F for fan. F. F for flag. F. F for frog. F. F for fig. F. F for fun. F. F for fruits. F. F for flowers. F. F for fan. F. F for fish. Make like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First, second, third. First, second, third. And make yourself like this. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. F. F for fan. F. F for fan. F. F for fish. 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 F for fish. F. F for fish. Fish. And here complete the names of given pictures. F. A. What is this? This is a fan. FAN. इस स्पेलिंग को हमें इनमें फिल करना है. FIGS. figs. Fruits. FRUITS. FUN. fun.